All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the data menu. So you can see here, if I click on data, it's going to show my flows. So my flows, team flows, business process flows, and UI flows. Okay. Then when I click on entities, I can create a new entity. We can get data. So we can choose from a file, database, Power Platform, Azure, online services, and other. So we had Amazon Redshift, IBM database, well, DB2 database, Impala, MySQL database, Teradata database, SQL Server database, Oracle database. Okay, so I'll hit cancel. We can export the data. We can get data and then get data from Excel, export data, and then export to data lake. Okay. Then we can set options. So let's click on new option set. We can give it a display name and then give the table a name here and then add items to the table, to the row or the column, I should say. Then we have data flows. So you don't have any data flows yet. So I'll create one. So we'll just call this test. Data flows allow users to extract, transform, and load data from a wide range of data sources that can be used from PowerApps. So we'll do test, and let's hit create. And then we'll grab an Excel file. Okay, so I'll browse OneDrive. If you don't have a file, that's fine. Just follow along with what I'm doing. Really? Okay, I'm signing in the right spot. All right, we'll go to the next one. We can export to data lake. So we can do a new link to data lake. So let's do that. So please attach. Okay, so your environment is located in the East US. Please attach a storage account in one of the following locations. Okay, so I don't have an account for this, but if I did, what we'd do is we'd fill all this information out here, and then we go to the next section and get this data lake set up. So I'm going to go back. Then we'll talk about connections. So with connections, we can create a new connection, and you can utilize the standard connections here, and then a premium connection. If I click on that, I believe it's $15 a month for the premium connections. So we could do OneDrive, create, and then it's trying to log me in as a different account. I'm going to cancel that. Okay, then we can do custom connectors. And this, create a custom connector, connect to an existing REST API as long as the API supports at least one of 10 plus authentication mechanisms and uses JSON. Learn more about custom connectors, and then we can create a custom connector here. So you can create from a blank, create from Azure service, import as open API file, import and open API from URL, and then import a Postman collection. Okay, and then we have gateways. You don't have any gateways installed to connect to your on-premise data. You can install one now. Click on new gateway, and then you can create the gateway here. All right, so that is data. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.